Today we are going to discuss the topic in this chapter. It is mainly related with our representative elements, noble gases, transition elements, lanthanoids and actinoids. Only we are discussing these four topics in this class: representative elements, noble gases, transition elements, lanthanoids and actinoids. Okay, look at it. First of all, representative elements. The first group and second group, first and second group number 13 to 18. First group and second group 13 to 18. That means the valence shell contain 1 electron, valence shell will contain 2 electron, the valence shell contain 3 to 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 2 up to 8 electrons. These elements, group number 1 and 2, then 13 to 18. That means 1 and 2 alkali metals and alkaline earth metals, boron family to noble gases. They are known as representative elements. Representative elements because they contain solids, liquid and gaseous molecules or gaseous elements. Solids, liquids and gaseous elements, metals, non-metals and metalloids. These are included in these groups. Metals, non-metals, metalloids, solid, liquid, gas. These type of elements are included in these groups 1, 2 and 13 to 18. Okay, so they are known as what? They are known as representative elements. Okay, all type of elements are included in these groups. That's why they are known as what? Representative elements. Representative elements. So group number is important. 1 and 2, then 13 to 18. The next one, it is noble gases. The 18th group elements are generally known as what? Noble gases. 18th group elements. For example, atomic number 10 neon and atomic number 18 argon. You just take these two examples. Look at that, the electronic configuration is 2,8 and second one is 2,8,8. So look at that, the valence shell contain 8 electrons. That means they are already stable. They are completed their octet electronic configuration. That's why these elements are stable elements. So if the valence shell contain 8 electrons, that is known as octet electronic configuration. They are attained the octet electronic configuration. There is no need to take part in a chemical reaction. There is no need to take part in a chemical reaction because they are already stable. So that's why they are known as noble gases. Noble gases. So they need no need to take part in a chemical reaction. They are stable. In the case of helium, its atomic number is 2 and the electronic configuration is also 2. That helium have only one shell. That shell is completely filled, so that also there is no need to take part in a chemical reaction. That's why also we call this helium also as what? Noble gases. So that is noble gas. So especially they are gases in their name, noble gases. Okay. Next one, transition elements. So transition is there, change. So they are 3 to 12. Group number 3 to 12 are known as transition elements or transition metals. Transition elements, or they are known as what? Transition metals, because these elements are metals. In this group that included they are metals. Then they form colored compounds. Some of their elements, some of them have formed colored compounds, especially all the elements forms colored compounds. In this exceptional case is there. So they form colored compounds. Colored compounds, their property. Then they shows variable oxidation state, different oxidation state, and also there shows similarity in their property along group and period. It's very important. They show similarity in their property along chemical property along group and period. So these are the things. They are metals. Then they form colored compounds. Then they show similarity along their group and period. And one more point is there, they show variable oxidation state, different oxidation state. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Some of them shows plus 5, plus 7, like that. The variable oxidation states are possible to exhibit by the transition elements or transition metals. So group number 3 to 12. 3 to 12. The next one, it is lanthanoids. From atomic number 57 to 71, 89 to 103, you look at that, let's give another position periodic table in the lower section. After lanthanum, the elements arranged in a series, they are known as lanthanoids. After actinium, they are arranged in another series that is known as actinoids. Lanthanoids and actinoids. So these lanthanoids and actinoids are generally known as inner transition elements. Inner transition elements. inner transition elements. So the inner transition elements, they are 57 to 71 and 89 to 103. After lanthanum, they are known as lanthanoids. And after actinium, AC, there's a symbol in periodic table, AC, actinium, they are known as actinoids. After that, they are arranged in another portion. They are F block elements, or otherwise we call, they are inner transition elements. Then their property is that some of the lanthanoids and actinoids, the important thing is that lanthanoids are called the rare earth. Lanthanoids are called rare earth. Actinoids are mainly, they are man-made artificial elements. Lanthanoids are the rare earths, and actinoids, some of them are what? They are man-made artificial elements. Okay, so students, these are the simple topics related to this chapter. It is representative elements 1, 2, then 3 to 12 group are known as representative elements. 18th group is known as normal gas. Group number 3 to 12 is known as transition elements or transition metal. Then lanthanoids and actinoids. So lanthanoids and actinoids, commonly they are known as what? Inner transition elements. Inner transition elements in the ullu. So inner transition elements. Up to here, you want to study well and prepare a note of this area. Then we can discuss another area related with atomic size, that will be discussed in the next class. Thank you.